Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk to you about one of the best online workshops that you can use to grow your skill in leadership. Even you get a high degree in any field, the leadership it's mandatory. As the founder of Visa, the Hawk said, if you want to lead, invest at least 40% of your time in leading yourself. But the training program of leadership a bit expensive. It's really to find free and good program with the interaction of coach. The Akimbo, it's a series of online workshop that you can use it to increase your level and knowledge in leadership. I will put in the description box the link of the website. You can figure out many of them. So this is the website of Akimbo. So as I mentioned there first, so you can find many programs related to leadership. The best one is LTMBA. So it's amazing. This website, this platform, it's online workshop. It's a series of online workshop, so you can figure out all of things and you can use it. Akimbo Emerging Leader. So it's a 5 days online program for who are looking to lead in the future of work. So if you are ready to lead this program, it's sponsored by Akimbo. The duration it will be like 5 days. Also, it's like all can apply, no problem. The applicant can be any academic background, no problem. And don't forget the deadline, it will be in May 5th, and the price, as I mentioned, it's full scholarship, no charge. The benefits of this program, it's amazing, this program. So you will get new experience, fully funded scholarship, and also in the final program you will get certificate. To apply for this online youth workshop, just go through this link here. So I will put this link in the description box. The application is very easy. So you will visit this website here and go through the question. You will answer some question. It's normal question to figure out yourself, and also you will make a video about you. It's easy, like 3 minutes or 2 minutes, and then you can also add your resume and submit. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.